Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your speaker is not working on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If your speaker is not working, or at least it seems to not be working, the first thing you should try is to check if your volume settings are set above 0. Because if they are turned off, of course you aren't gonna hear anything. Try turning them all the way up, or at least as far up as you can. You can also see different options for sounds by tapping on this arrow. Alternatively, you can go into settings. Here, sounds and vibration, and then volume. In here you can change your settings however much you want. Now, if your speaker still seems to not be working, you could try cleaning your speaker with some soft tools, because you don't want to damage them. The speaker is visible right here. This series of holes is the speaker grill. Try cleaning it, around it, just make sure you don't damage it. So don't push anything in there too hard. If this didn't work, try going into here and turning off your Bluetooth settings. Because if it's turned on, it might actually be just rerouting your sounds to the Bluetooth device. Alternatively, you could also check out if your system is up to date, to make sure it's not some sort of a bug related to your system being out of date. So once your system is up to date and the problem still persists, the next thing you could try would be to, of course, try and restart your phone. But if the issue still persists after the restart, you might want to boot into safe mode. To boot into safe mode, simply power off your device. And once it's powered off, power it back on. This time though, hold the volume down button. And you will hold it down until your phone actually turns back on. In this case, it will be when this sort of a screen pops up with safe mode in the bottom left. Now it might take a while for your phone to turn back on. Once your phone turns back on, you can try testing your speakers in here. Try checking your volume again. If all else fails, you can get out of safe mode by tapping on this notification too, or simply by restarting your phone. These two do the same thing, really. Now, of course, back in normal mode. If everything else fails, you might want to consider going to a service shop to get it looked at. Alternatively, you could also try going into settings, general management, reset, and then performing a factory reset, though that will reset all of your data and force you to do a setup again. So this should really be your last resort. And now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.